Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. And sorry, I know that I've been gone for a while now. And I'm gonna explain you why right now. Actually, this is the reason why I've been gone. And sadly, this isn't mine. Okay, we're back inside in the shade because it's where I live. Like I always said, it doesn't get that hot, but there's always that like those few days that gets really, really hot. And these days has been some of those days. That's why I'm wearing my hat. Anyways, let me explain why I've been gone. So basically, a few months ago, I started my own business, erecting steel buildings. So this is what I've been doing. I was getting my, my business started, getting it all together, all the legal stuff done. And then I got right on it. So we got this done, and we got a few other ones lined up. And hopefully between jobs, I'll be able to make videos. So hopefully this week I have a couple of days off in between jobs. And I'm gonna try and knock out some video for you guys because I know that you guys want to see some more OBS action. Which, by the way, sadly, she's out of retirement, and she's gonna be a work truck for a little while until we can find something to replace it as a work truck. We'll get to that once we're ready for it. But for now, she's putting in work again, and probably some of the things that we'll be doing to it will probably be to make it a better work truck. So anyways, I'm gonna pick this video off from the house after I'm all cleaned up and looking good, because right now it look pretty bad. So anyways, I'll catch up with you at the house. All right guys, so we're back at the house, and so anyways, like I was saying, I've been pretty busy, and I'm sorry about that. I really hate not making videos for you guys, but I've just been way busier than I thought I was gonna be. And like I said, I don't have that many things going on for the truck, although I do have some parts. My good friends from Last Fit sent me some new headlights that we're going to be throwing on this thing here pretty soon, and then some other lighting upgrades that I got for it, and a few other things, like I said, to make this thing a better work truck. And it's been running pretty good. I have had one problem with it though, and I think we have some sort of high oil pressure leak or something. It's been throwing me a code, so I got to look into that. But first, probably the next video, we're gonna be working on my wife's car over there, and but that's gonna be a video all on its own. It's probably gonna be the next video that's gonna come up after this one, which is gonna be fixing a problem that's wrong with that car. So anyways, look forward to that if you have any car like that. If not, I won't get offended if you guys don't watch that video. Now, like I said, I'm really sorry that I've been so off of YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff, and I'm sorry that I haven't gotten to your messages. I'm gonna try over the next couple days and get back with everybody that I haven't responded to. I hate doing that, but like I said, I've just been super busy. And kind of going back to that, I had this question, this comment that someone left, and I wasn't able to get to it, but it was basically what did I do for a living? And I don't think I've ever really gone into that here on the channel. So basically what I do right now is, like I said, I run my own business, but that's just started within the last couple of months, erecting steel buildings, and I got that knowledge from what I used to do before, which is my trade. I'm an iron worker. I've done it since 2010, and I also did some pipe fitting, all industrial, so pretty big stuff, and it was really fun. I really liked it. I also got to do some welding and stuff like that, which I really liked. Now I won't say that I'm a welder. I know how to weld, but saying that you're a welder implies that you know a lot of stuff about welding, not just picking up a welder and throwing down some beads. But like I said, I have been an iron worker since 2010, and I honestly have been all over the US doing jobs, doing power plants, refineries, mines, all kinds of cool stuff, really big, cool projects. And a few years ago, after I got married, I decided to settle down in this town here in Arizona. And I kind of missed, my job. And there's really not a lot at all of that going on here where I live. And I got the opportunity to start my business, erecting steel buildings. Now it's not at the same level as ironworking. It's quite a bit smaller than what I'm used to, but it's still pretty fun. So I'm pretty excited for that. Hopefully it goes good. Like I said, hopefully I want to manage it in a way that I can still do videos for you guys, work on this thing, and keep it pretty good with that business. and hopefully I want to get another work truck. Like I said, this thing, I kind of didn't really want it as a work truck. You know, I want to restore this thing, you know, make it real nice. But I also want to get another work truck. And then what I've been thinking about getting and trying to find is an F Super Duty. And for you guys that don't know, it's basically like the OBS F450. In these years, they made the F150, F250, F350, but there was no like official F450. There was the F Super Duty, I believe, which was, you know, your F450, you know, like the 10 lug, you know, bigger, heavier duty, dually truck. And basically that's what I've been looking at getting, but those things aren't that common. And when they do come up, they're usually pretty beat up. Which, you know, would make for a really cool, you know, series of videos on the channel. The thing is that, you know, that I do need it pretty soon, so we'll see if I can't pick up one of those. Hopefully I can find something else, you know, at a decent price, because like all newer trucks, you know, they're like 30, 40, 50 grand, and that's quite a bit of money. But like I said, we'll see. Meanwhile, there's some things, you know, that I've, you know, been thinking about doing to this thing. I've got all my tools back here. And this truck honestly doesn't have any tie down points on it, other than these like little holes in here. So I think what I want to do is throw a few more tie down points on this so I can secure, you know, all of my stuff a little bit better. One thing that I've been contemplating, and I'm not entirely sure that I want to do this, but I think it would be pretty cool. I'm just not sure. Doing a flatbed on this thing. The only reason why I want to do it though is because this bed. Well, the reason why and why I don't want to do it is because of this bed. It took me a really long time to find this bed. It's in really, really good condition. I really like it, and I really don't want to get rid of it. You know, like I want to fix the truck. I want it to have a regular bed on it, but at the same time, I don't want to have this bed and beat it up like I actually already did, and I feel really bad. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but I kind of put a small dent right here and right there, and let me tell you, that really hurt. So that's why, like, if I had a place where I could, you know, leave this thing for a few months while I had a flatbed on it, I would do it. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, you know, I just kind of wanted to make a quick, you know, update video on the channel on why I've been gone for this long, and, you know, kind of telling you what, you know, to expect for the next few videos. Like I said, probably the next video coming out after this is gonna be me fixing my wife's Terrain. It's got a very common problem with those cars, but I'll get into it in the next video. Anyways, that's pretty much gonna be it for this. Hopefully you understand, and, you know, you are excited for the next few videos that I got going on with this truck. And well, yeah, we'll see you for the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave any comments, and we'll see you for the next one.